Hi everyone, it's Tammy at Walnut Creek Bath Boutique, and today I wanted to just share with you how I made my turmeric, lemon, and green tea facial scrub. I have a salon here in town that has my products there, and they're offering a special this month for a mini facial and a dermaplane. And I had everything in the salon all ready for sale for most of what they would need. I didn't have a toner and I didn't have a facial scrub. Earlier this week, I did post a video of my making the toner, and so today we're going to see how I made the facial scrub. So to start with, off to the side, you'll see my hot plate there, and that's got some butters and oils in that, and we'll go over those in a little bit. But right now I'm adding some green tea extract to a beaker. Green tea extract is an antioxidant and an anti-inflammatory. It will also protect against UVB damage. So I think that's a really great product to have. Next, I'm going to be adding some lemon peel, and it's just going to give it a light exfoliation. I will be adding sugar later, but this just gives it a little something special, and it will also help with the scent. Just give it a little bit of a lemon scent with the lemon peel powder. Next, I'll be adding the Optifin preservative. We do have to preserve our products, especially if water is going to come in contact with it. Now, there is no water in the formulation itself, but because someone may be putting damp fingers into a jar, we do want to preserve that. So I am adding Optifin preservative. It is a non-formaldehyde, non-paraben, nothing like that. It's a good preservative to add. We're also adding vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant, and it's really used a lot for to keep the oils and butters that we put in formulations, keeps them from oxidizing. A lot of people think that vitamin E is a preservative. It is not, but it does keep oils and butters from oxidizing and going rancid, so it'll increase the shelf life of your product. So vitamin E is in, and then a little bit of a lemon essential oil, a very small amount. This is a face product, and I don't like to put a lot of essential oils, good or bad, on your face. I think they're very strong. So I think it's just at 1% is my essential oil, or my lemon essential oil. But it is an anti-inflammatory, and it does preserve your skin tone. So that's why we added the lemon essential oil. So off to the side there, I have some butters and oils melting. Now they are melted. In there, I have some organic jojoba oil, which is actually a liquid wax, but it is a lightweight oil with healing properties that is very deeply hydrating. It will give long-lasting moisture, it won't clog your pores, and it won't give you a greasy feel. It is very similar to our own human skin cells, and so it just kind of gives your skin what it's lacking, and it will help balance your oil production. It's a wonderful luxury oil to have in any kind of skincare, and I love putting it in my face products. Along with the jojoba oil, I have Abyssinian oil, which is another luxury oil. It gives excellent moisture to your skin, and it's great for maintaining that moisture, especially during the winter months. So it's a really good product for this time of the year. Along with the jojoba oil and the Abyssinian oil is Turmeric Shea. So it's basically just a combination product where they've added turmeric to shea butter. Turmeric is really great. It's an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and then the shea butter is just a really thick moisturizing butter you would think would clog your pores, but it actually rates a 0 on the scale of clogging pores or not. So it won't. So don't be scared of that. Cetyl alcohol is added. It's a thickener. BTMS 50 is added. It's an emulsifying wax. So those two together will help in the feel of the skin after you rinse it off. It'll help rinse off the oils and butters from your skin so you're not just drenched in oils that won't come off. But the BTMS 50 gives a great conditioning, silky feel to your skin as well. So it's a great combination. It emulsifies all of these products together and everything, but it also gives this conditioning feel. I love it for lotions and face products. And then the last ingredient in here is glycerol stearate, and that's just an emulsifier, conditioner, and thickener as well. So here I am bottling up all my jars. You'll notice that I'm being very careful. I'm weighing every single jar. I want to make sure that if my labels say 2 ounces, you're getting 2 ounces. And usually I'm pretty careful throughout the process of weighing, and sometimes I'll have to take a little out because I just want to make sure that I have enough to go around. Most of the time what I'll do is once I have all of my products in the jars, then I take whatever's left over in the batch and distribute that over the jars. But this time I wanted to have this little cup set aside, and that's what I did is I poured it off into this little cup so that I could give you a demonstration on the end product after it has been set up for a while, because it was pretty fluid when I put them in the jars. But you'll notice here in a second, it does set up quite nicely. It does have a nice viscosity to it. It's not going to just run off your fingers as you're trying to get it on your face, but it's still soft enough that you can actually spread it along your face very nicely. So that is my turmeric, lemon, and green tea face scrub. It's available at the Green Room Salon. If you're in Greencastle, go check it out. And thanks for watching. I appreciate any likes or subscribes that you can want to give me, and I appreciate your support in my new channel here. So you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.